Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Mentor. Today I will tell you some tips related to workout at home. Many people are facing different problems because they are unable to go to their gym due to lockdown. So here I am going to tell you some tips that will be more efficient and helpful for you without any equipment for gaining a better fitness. So if you want to gain a better muscles, you must do all the exercises. So watch this video from beginning to till then. I will tell you every solutions that how can you maintain your body fitness, and at last I will tell you a certain tips that will be more efficient for your full body workout. So watch this video. Decline push-ups. You can do this exercise at home because decline push-ups is the best exercise for your triceps and for your upper chest. So for your upper chest and for your triceps, you must do this exercise regularly, consistently, and with a perfect way. If you'll do all this type of tips, if you'll follow my tips, then definitely you will gain a better triceps chest muscles in spite of doing inclined bench press at the gym. So this exercise will bring you a good result for your chest and for your biceps. So you must do decline push-ups at home. Now for inclined push-ups, you can do inclined push-ups for your full body chest. For gaining a better chest, you must do this exercise inclined push-ups. It will helpful for your chest if you do consistently, regularly, with perfect way, with 3 to 4 set with every day. Then definitely you will gain a better muscles. But you have to do hard work. You have to spend some time with these exercises. Then no matter how younger you are, how much muscles you have, either you have the stronger muscles or you have the weak muscles, you must do these exercises for you gaining a better chest in spite of doing this decline push-ups, decline press. You can do leg biceps curl. This is also a best exercises for you. If you are not getting any equipment, you can do these exercises at home. It is easily and simple tips that will maintain your better biceps. You will gain a better biceps muscles. So you must do this exercise in spite of doing concentration curl at the gym. So this exercise will bring you a best result if you do this exercise at home consistently and with a perfect manner. Then definitely it will also bring a good result for your biceps. Now pull-ups. For your better back, you must do this exercise for your better back. If you do daily push-ups, then there will be a better back, and it will also helpful for gaining a biceps for your body in spite of doing lat pull downs. So you must do this exercise at home, pull-ups every day with perfect way. Bridge pose. This is a perfect exercise for your whole body recovery. If you want to get a whole body muscles with short interval of time and with consistently doing a good exercise, you must do these exercises because you will gain a better muscles, because your blood circulation is happening in your whole body in this exercise. So you must do this exercise. It stretches the chest, neck, spines and hips, strengthens the back. It also the buttocks and hamstrings. It also improve your circulations of your blood from leg to your head. It also helps your alternative stress and mind depressions because it affects your mind also. So you must do this exercise for your body exercises. Now plank. This is also a best exercise for your full body workout. You can do this exercise because it gives your strength for your core, arms, legs. Glutes, it also prevents pain. It also improves your posture, and it is best for your abdominal muscles. To gain a better abdominal, you must do this exercise, and for your biceps, abdominal, and for your thigh, it will be more effective for you. So you must do this exercise with best way and with perfect way. So in this way you will do this exercise, then it will be more efficient for you. So I hope you have understood whatever I have told you. You will follow all the tips, and definitely you will gain a good muscles by staying at home in the time of lockdown. Now thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and share this video, because this is very important.